ultimate swinging. Well, extreme.
Swing Holly as.
And jump off and land here. Face first. He's gonna land there face first.
No, I'm not.
Here he goes. I'll just be back here.
And I will do it. This high?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
You ready?
Whoa!
Told you he's right there. Face first. Now he's gonna go even higher. And then I'm gonna do it very low because I suck at doing it. Yes, I do. Here he goes.
Just a second, need a rest.
Even higher. Reckon he's gonna hit here now. That wooden bit. So I'll cover it up so he doesn't hurt his face.
I went
What a bag.
nearly face first. My arms hurt now.
Yes.
I went that high and
It's a pokey walker.
oh, far out. What the?
Go higher. And now it's my turn to go.
Ah!
I'll go the highest I've ever gone.
Well,
Wait.
that's like 2 centimeters high.
Right, you ready? I'll do it.
No.
Right. Okay. I reckon he's gonna land right. His face is gonna be there.
I'm gonna try not to go face first.
That's where his face is gonna land.
I'm trying not to go face first this time.
He's gonna hit the
Not
bag.
the bag.
No, he's gonna hit the bag.
No, my
Right.
can of LOL is in there.
Ready? Here he goes. It's getting high. Getting high.
I'll go the highest I've ever gone for this, which is about 1 centimeter higher. Then I went just there.
Shake your booty.
Oh, God, dude. So this is how high I went.
Last time. Now he's going this high. Here he goes. Skill. All right, now it's my turn.
No, one more shot for me. I'll go way higher.
Yep. All right.
Oh, God.
You little ripper.
This is freaky. Hey, there's a guy. I'm going to ask if he wants to watch.
There's the old guy there. All right, here he goes. You ready? You steady? You go. You ready? You go. Here we go.
Hey, would you like to watch my awesome sport? Would you? Pretty awesome. My sport. Full awesome swinging.
Hi.
You want to watch it? I think that's a no.
All right, go.
Okay. Well, what about that guy in the bench over there?
We've already asked him. All right, let's go.
Hey, you sure you don't want to watch me?
Come on, we're videoing it. Loser.
There, bag.
Go.
Goofy.
Go.
Nigga. Oh, he's leaving now.
All right, go. Hurry up.
Okay.
The crowd is watching.
Mentos.
Where's the Mentos?
Mentos wrapper.
That's not a Mentos. That's not its name.
I call it Mentos.
I call it Mentos because that's the proper name for it.
Oh, look, he's coming to watch. Are you coming to watch now?
Why not? What? What things? School's finished. I don't care.
What's it? What are you doing out of school then? Is that what you get to do? You get to go somewhere else to eat lunch? Oh, okay. You like just stay and watch now? Like 2 seconds?
All right, just go.
Okay, whatever. That guy's already talking. Okay. I won't flip. Go pretty high. And then I'll go.
Capiche?
Whoa! I'm still alive! Yeah! Okay, now Harry's gonna go.
I'm gonna fail.
Look at my knees. Look at my knees. Nice and dirty.
First time, face planted.
I know, first time he was swinging, then he face planted on the ground.
Still hurt.
Face planted like right there, he failed, and then his head went back and then landed on that. It was reenactment. You hold this. This is a reenactment. Okay, just hold that. So, I'm swinging in the rain, and then I'm gonna jump off. Flip. Oops, I failed the reenactment. I'll try again. Da 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 da.
That's failed. Anyway.
Failed reenactment. Close enough to it, but anyway.
Close enough.
But anyway, here we go.
You'll need to stand a bit closer, just in case I break my neck.
Well, that's probably gonna happen. Don't kick me.
Can you call on that?
What?
Can you call on that?
No.
Call the ambulance.
It's a bloody iPod, mate.
Oh, yeah. Hey, this crooked.
Well, hello over there. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Walking on the footpath. Wanna come over here?
Right, this is how
Wanna come
high
over
I'm
here and
going.
give me a kiss?
This is
Yeah,
how
you
high
over
I'm
there.
going.
I'm watching you. I see you there. Texting your friends. Saying, just about to walk over to the
Does he?
to the
What?
playground and give this guy a kiss. Yeah.
This is how high I'm going. I'm going for it. Yeah. Alright, now I'm gonna go a bit higher.
Okay, I'll just go here. And just watch him like this.
I'm gonna fail.
I'll make like a little tripod sort of thing.
Whoa! 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 That was creepy.
Just go!
That's what I'm doing.
And you have to jump pretty high, mate.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
What's up with this? That's just gay.
Does it really sound gay?
Yes!
Okay, that's good.
Do you want to be gay?
No.
Hey, sexy over there. Nice. It's an old person. I don't want to kiss an old person. Come on.
Right, is it how high I'm going?
Just jump for goodness sakes.
Now I'm going a bit higher.
Go my height. My height is fun.
Shake your booty like a computer.
What?
Whoa!
Alright.
I did it again.
Alright.
There's the awesome basketball.
The awesome basketball. That's the one we were talking about in our previous video today that we videoed. Yeah, we videoed today. So I'm just going to make my little tripod here. This is the little tripod thing. We'll be just videoing him. Go jump.
Not yet. Right now. Next one. Yeah. There we go. See you later.
See you guys. I got me a haircut today and it was nice. I got me mullet shaved. I didn't like my mullet because I was starting to grow one and then I got really annoyed with it. So yeah, it's really starting to pee me off a bit. Why did you throw me iPod cover at me? Sorry for covering you up there a bit like that. I just gotta go get me cover. Okay. Thanks guys. See you next time. Goodbye.